Kirsten Lee Wanek coming to you from River Valley Chiropractic, where we teach you to move well so that you can live well and go out there and enjoy your life. And I like to share therapeutic tools with you, and today I'm sharing with you the yoga trapeze from Yoga Body, and I'm going to do a pose that they call Banana Man. And Banana Man is a further pose from Traction Jackson, another pose that they share, where we actually put the spine into we go into an inversion position, which provides traction on the spine, and then we further that into a stretch for the shoulders to open that up. So I'm going to share that with you today. So you're going to go ahead and get yourself situated in the trapeze. You always do that first. Make sure you're in a good position. And you're going to use the middle handles here to lower yourself down into an inversion position. And you can adjust the fabric as needed. Get it in the right place for you. I'm going to hook my feet around the fabric. Kind of get used to being right here. When you're settled in right here, then you can let yourself come down into Traction Jackson, which is a decompression of the spine and just allows the spine to hang in this inversion position. Then from here, what I'm going to do is go ahead and drop my hands down, palms down, and then I'm going to walk my hands back, opening up the shoulders. You can start here. It's kind of like a modified handstand position, but the thing is you can hang out here for longer because you're supported by the trapeze. And you can continue to walk back until you're in a banana type position, stretching those shoulders, and then drop your head down and allow that stretch to come through your shoulders and down your spine. Just allow yourself to melt into that position. You can hang out here for as long as what's comfortable for you. And then when you're ready, walk your hands back to the center. Look up, find your handles before unhooking your feet. Come into your spread eagle position and bring yourself up. And that's Banana Man. If you have any questions about this pose and any other poses that I've shared with you, pop those into the comments below. I'd like to thank you for watching today. Please like, share, and subscribe if you found value in this video. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell notification button so that you get our future videos as we release them and bring more value to you. If you have any questions, pop that below. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.